All right, everybody. Well, this is a quick screencast. My name's Mr. Miller. I'm the tech leader here at Charlotte Central School, and I work with Mrs. Roundtree and Mrs. Coda. And we're excited that these iPads are coming home. And we want to show you because the number one thing, we know you know how to use Seesaw, we know you know how to use Dreambox and some other things, but we want to be able to connect with you live. And so what you'll need to do is you can always get back to this main screen by touching the bottom at the home button in the center, okay? If you hit it twice, just so you know, it will show you everything that's open on your screen. And if you want to grab and slide something up, like let's say you're ready to be done with settings, you can close things up that way and then click and go back to this. But where you're going to want to be doing your work for connecting is go to Meet. And you'll find Meet on this screen on the third line way over on the right hand side. And so you're going to want to click on that. When you click on it, what it's going to do is open up. We've got it all set up. And on the day of your meeting, it will open right up and show you the name of your meeting that you're going to. Now, usually you'll just have one. I put 2 practice meetings in for today. If a meeting's tomorrow, it won't show it to you. It just shows you the ones that you're going to because your teacher's going to invite you and make sure it's there and ready for you. So let's say you want to log into this practice 10 p.m. Monday meet. Now, I don't think you're going to be having meetings at 10 p.m. because you should be in bed. Probably more likely another time, but you can see it has the time there and it's set up, and it'll probably say Mrs. Roundtree's class meeting, or maybe you'll have some special small meetings to do some reading together or something like that. But when it's time, you click on the name of your meeting that you're going to. So I'm going to click on that practice 10 p.m. meeting. And now you can see, I can see myself. Now you can see what I look like, okay? I'm here in the classroom. You can see. Okay, so I want you to imagine you're all set up, you've clicked to this point, you're ready to join the meeting. You can kind of see that, okay, it's time for me to join. I can check and make sure that I'm looking at the right thing. Okay, my camera's turned on, my microphone's turned on. I click join. And you can see what it says is asking to join. Okay, little safety measure we have set up a lot of times will be, the teacher's going to have to accept you. That makes sure that just people from our class are getting into the meeting. Okay, it's kind of like you wouldn't go into the classroom until the teacher was there. But they'll real quickly go ahead and say, okay, you can come on in. And so, sorry, I don't have a picture of your teacher here, but you can just imagine Mrs. Coda or Miss Roundtree are here. And so you'd see their smiling faces. You'll see your spaces of your classmates in the upper corner. Touch your screen, and what comes out are some controls, such as the mute button. You can touch that. Right next to your mute button is the screen control. That'll turn your screen on and off. We should leave that on. Okay? You also have this red button here. If you touch it by accident, you're going to end the meeting. But that's not a disaster. If you click it by accident, you just go back, you join the meeting, and look, you're right back where you started from. And wanted to show you, if you accidentally ever click that white button down at the bottom, you might have seen my camera went off. Okay, that's what you'll see if you happen to hit on that. Okay, but other than that, you'll be in this mode, you'll be able to talk, you'll be able to see your teacher, you'll have a great meeting, and when it's time to be done, this is when we hit this red button here to end the meeting. You click it, you'll shut down your meeting. If you hit your home button again, it'll take you back to the main screen. Okay, you'll have your main icons there, and you'll be ready to go back into any other assignment, and you'll have done your first meet successfully. So I'm excited to hear how that goes, and thanks for listening to our screencast today. Hope it's been helpful.